you will just make طواف الإفاضة. Why? طواف العمرة and you will make طواف الإفاضة. Yes.
أو تسمونه طواف الإفاضة، طواف الزيارة.
In one side.
عليه حج.
And you should make sacrifice also, okay? Hadi. Yes. Because you are qiran. Okay? Okay?
لا كله عربي ما نستقبل، خلاص عربي بعدين نستقبل كله
هل ياخذ شباب ولا
ايه
No problem.
اذا كان ما بيعطي.
But don't use soap with any smell or like you can, no problem.
Hello?
You are qiran. You perform umrah, tawaf and sa'i. You have to perform tawaf al-ifada. Just no have sa'i al-hajj. Sa'i al-hajj already you perform. Because you will make two niyyah, tawaf al-ifada and tawaf al-wada'. Al-wada' means you are leaving, farewell. You will make tawaf and go out. Two niyyah. If you make tawaf al-ifada last day, you will make it in one niyyah. Don't make it in one niyyah, you make it in, if you perform 12 Dhul Hijjah, you can make it both in one niyyah. Tawaf al-ifada and tawaf al-wada', because tawaf al-wada' should be last thing you perform and go out of Makkah. Same time, if you make it 12th Dhul Hijjah, if you make it 10th of Dhul Hijjah, you should make again Tawaf al-Wada'. Okay? Because Tawaf al-Wada' you will say I don't know, I can't read now, I will read again with you. No problem. One person. 10th of Dhul Hijjah we should do 2 out of 3. Tawaf al-Ifada, throw jamarat, cut your hair. If you do 2, you can remove your ihram. What we will do, we will go to jamarat, throw jamarat, and come back here. You will cut your hair, you will remove your ihram. If it is allowed to go haram, we will go and perform tawaf on the 11th or 10th. If it is not allowed, we will make it last thing, 12th of the Hijjah. You will perform one tawaf 7 times, 2 knee.
आपका सवाल बेहतर है क्या इन्हें भी पूछने लगा और ये भी बोलो
same question. If you perform, you are qiran, you perform umrah, you don't need to make sa'i again. Already you perform your sa'i. For ifada, if you make it 10th of Dhul Hijjah or 11th, you should make Tawaf al-Wada', because Tawaf al-Wada' it is last thing you make and go out of Makkah. No sa'i.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम